how to find WhatsApp location on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find WhatsApp location on Android phone. First, just open WhatsApp, and it's easy. Just click this one here, this icon here, click on it, and as you see here you will find the location. Now just click on it and click continue, and then just allow it, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. It's easy. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then apps, and here just type WhatsApp and click on it, and go to permissions, and here you need to enable this one here, location. You will find it like that, location here, click on it and click allow, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.